Kari-kari, Bicol Express, Diniguan, Bopis.
Hey guys, my name is Kuya Kurt. I like to travel around to different parts of the Philippines finding the hidden gems of Filipino cuisine. Ngayon araw, dito kami sa kanto ng Eduria Street and Sunflower Street sa Barangay Central, Bicutan. At dito tayo guys, nakaharap ng Rolito Eatery kung saan natatagpuan ang pinakamasarap na pagkain sa buong Bicutan guys. Totoo ba yun? Try natin, tignan natin. Masarap, sulit. Let's go guys. Magandang umaga, nandito tayo kasamang isang special guest, si Kuya
Rolito.
Rolito mismo. Sa isang araw, ilan ba yung mga ulam nyo meron sa menu?
Pinakababa, 20.
Ito yung papaitan. May amoy siyang papaitan.
Ito yung salmon head saka salmon belly.
Wow, okay.
Next, itik, kari-kari, Bicol Express, Diniguan,
Dinuguan.
Bopis.
Siguro Kuya, pwedeng Bicol Express at saka isang takal ng kanin para sa akin. Okay, dito lang muna guys. Okay. So we're gonna get the Bicol Express guys because it's a little early and I could use some of the spiciness in my nose. Wow. Guys, we've got the Bicol Express. Guys, I don't know what's happening. I feel like I'm just getting a little bit more sick every day. Luckily, I brought my trusty tissue dito. Oh, I thank you. And then we have a little bit of a kape, guys, to help. I don't know what's happening, but like, as always, guys, in every Karenderya, you will find tinidor and cuchara. All right, so let's try some of this coffee first, guys, because I'm starting to feel it. Ah, that's good. It's got a little bit of the Carnation instant milk in there. Oh, it's nice and warm on the throat. How am I getting sick so much, you guys? I don't understand. So this is a lot. This seems like a vlogger portion of ulam, guys. Quite a bit. So let's put some on here. Let's get this nice and set up. I want to get this nice and picturesque looking. Yeah, because usually with your ulam, the food that goes on top of the rice, I like, this is my personal preference, I like about a 70 to 80% mix, which is you have about 70 to 80% rice, 20 to 30% ulam, as you can see here. And that's just like so you're not overwhelmed with the taste of either the ulam or the rice, guys. So here we go. Let's try the Bicol Express from Rolito. Rolito Eatery. Alright, let's try it. You can hear them chopping in the background. Bicol Express from Rolito Eatery in Central Bicutan. Oh wow. It's got a very coconut taste to it. I like that. Ooh, there's the spiciness. You get hit with the spiciness. The chicken is meaty and tender. That's very good. It just falls apart in your mouth. Very, very good. So it's got kind of like a sweet, tender, meaty taste to it. That's very, very good, Bicol Express. Guys, I'm getting really upset with my sicknesses here in the Philippines. I don't really understand like what's happening. Like where they're coming from. Because I'm probably not gonna vlog tomorrow because I can just feel myself getting worse. But I just don't understand where they're coming from, you know? I wash my hands thoroughly. I spray alcohol anytime I interact with people and do high fives and things like that. Oh, I know. But thankfully, like I always say, guys, if you're gonna make it out to eat at a Karenderya, you can always come to places like this, the Rolito Eatery. If you're just walking around the barangay, if you're a foreigner and you're just walking around, you're just soaking in the culture and the experience of being in the Philippines, outside of BGC, I might add, get outside of BGC for crying out loud. And you come up on a place like this, they're just cooking. It's a restaurant. It's a Karenderya. You can eat here. If you're hungry, just approach and say, Anong best seller? What's the best seller? Anong best seller? They'll tell you, and you won't be mistaken if you order the best seller, guys. Give it a try. These people are so happy. I've got an entire audience. I got an entire audience here filming me. I just don't understand, guys, how one person can get sick so many times in a new country. I moved here in April. I got a cold in May. I got a cold a couple months later in like August. I got a cold in like October. I got a throat virus like 2 weeks ago. And now this one. This is my 5th sickness in 9 freaking months. I'm sick like every other month. I need like an immunologist, immunologist to tell me why I'm getting sick so much here. Is this just like, am I like a little kid who's going to school for the first time and I'm bringing back all of the germs from my classmates for like kindergarten, but next year for 1st grade I'll be perfectly healthy? So anyways, any immunologists can tell me what the F is going on with my immune system here. It would be greatly appreciated. Okay guys, we're gonna get the rest of this takeout. I'm gonna finish this later because my appetite is just like, it's having a hard time. So let's find out how much this is. We're gonna leave a 1,500 peso tip for Kuya Rolito and his missus. And hopefully it gives them a little bit more success, continued success in their life. Kuya, magkano po yan sa akin? Yung Bicol Express, coffee, at saka isang mineral water. Ha? Ano po?
Free.
Free ba yun? Yeah. Alam nyo, bawal yung free food sa channel ko. So kung free, may konting tip ako para sa inyo, para sa staff, may 1.5.
Thank you.
Ito, galing sa mga viewers ko yan kasi siyempre sinasuportahan nila ako at pinapasa namin yan sa mga masipag na may-ari ng mga local businesses dito sa Pilipinas.
Shout out sa mga customer kung yung gustong kumain dito sa Central sa kay Rolito, tabi ng water station. So pumunta lang kayo dito at marami tayong putahe. Kanto ng Ferrari Street, Block 160, Lot 1, Central, Bicutan, Taguig City.
Guys, kung gusto niyo mananasan yung kasarapan ng pagkain at yung kabaitan ng mga tao, punta kayo dito para sa inyong sarili. Ang sarap. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa vlog na ito, guys. Hanggang sa susunod, ako si Kuya Kurt, kasama ni
Rolito.
Kain Kwento Kids, guys. Bye-bye.